I'm going to be demonstrating how to use layers in Photoshop today. Firstly, upload your image. I've already got mine here. The better quality makes it easier. Once you have your image uploaded, click on background here and then right click, and I'm going to duplicate this image twice, calling the first one background copy 1. I'm also just going to do it one more time. I'm going to call this background copy 2. Now I'm going to click on background copy 1, making sure this is the only one with the eye, and I'm going to begin editing this layer. I'm going to click on image and click adjustments and curves, and you can drag in any direction, whatever effect that you like. So I'm going to make this one quite dark. There you go. Now I've edited it, and now you can see that's the original and that's layer 1. Now I'm going to edit background copy 2, making sure the eye is only on that. Going back to image, clicking adjustments, and I'm going to change the saturation. And the hue. There we go. And now you can see I've made this image so the colours are very dull, very opposite to the original. As you can see, that was the original, and then that's the background copy 2. We can put both layers on at the same time. There. But means you've not edited the original drawing. There you go, you have now successfully created 2 different layers without editing the original image. Thank you.